This is another video. This is my John Deere 20 horse OHVIC Briggs & Stratton engine. It's an L120 automatic hydrostatic transmission. Finally got my edger going. Made a video of it a while ago. Try it now. Hello. Today, this is a Roto Hog shredder. It's I don't know what year it is. It's got an 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine. This 10 horsepower Tecumseh go-kart. Well, looks like she's not going to start for us today. My Polaris, it's a Scrambler 50. Take it for a ride. This is a SpeedX. It's an S24. I have all the attachments. Well, I thought it had enough gas to start for you. I gotta go get some gas. Oh. Whole problem was I forgot to turn the switch on. And he's off. Oh my, I better back off. I don't want to get wet. Whoa. Spin the tires. Wow. Got some lightage and a squeak. That's a loud sucker right there. Almost ran me over there. Jeez.